Hi guys, welcome back to the Fungi Files. Today we're going to be preparing liquid culture with lion's mane and baby Bella from Agar, doing a wet transfer, and we're also going to be preparing hardwood substrate with barbecue hardwood pellets by saturating that and preparing it for use. As opposed to previously where I did plan on using a master's mix hardwood substrate, I am just going to be using unsupplemented plain hardwood. I'm going to just test it with lion's mane, see how the fruits look like, and see if the yield is worth the difference without supplements. We are now going to prepare our lion's mane and baby Bella as liquid cultures. First, we're just going to go ahead and wipe down the injection ports on both of these. Everything in here has been wiped down with isopropyl alcohol. We're going to go ahead and inoculate both of these to liquid culture and let them grow out. And then prepare our hardwood substrate after. This process is going to be exactly the same as we did for our cordyceps. And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and look at that cordyceps liquid culture that we made previously. I'm going to be sterilizing this in between uses. So to start, I'm going to do the lion's mane. And pull about 4 cc's this time. There's that lion's mane growth. The more of this that we're able to scrape up into that liquid culture, the better. It'll grow out faster than our liquid culture. Gonna go ahead and transfer this. Should be able to see all that mycelium in there. We're going to go ahead and inject this back into here. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and sterilize this for the next use. And with our needle sterilized again in boiling water, we are going to go ahead and prepare our baby Bella liquid culture. Actually, going to set that over here for now. We are going to prepare this in exactly the same way. This baby Bella did take a long time to colonize. The end, almost the beginning of last month. But it's growing good. We're going to go ahead and extract what we can. There was a lot of chunks in this one. However, it does look fairly decent. Beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and sterilize this needle again. And to prepare our hardwood substrate, we aren't going to be doing the master mix like I originally planned. However, we are going to just try pasteurizing our hardwood pellets. We have Pit Boss Barbecue Backyard Blend. These are both hardwood. They should be pretty sterile from the factory, so we are going to try just a pasteurization method. I will be mixing these at a 60-40 mix, so I have 2 pounds of pellets. I'll be inputting into the jar with 3 pounds of water boiling. I am going to go ahead and put the lid on here. And we're going to cover this with a towel to let it, at least for a few hours, sit in here and cool down. And with our hardwood substrate, our liquid culture for baby bella and lion's mane inoculated and incubating, we will be prepared within the next week or so to go ahead and spawn out into bags and hopefully yield a pretty good harvest within the next month or so. Our next video, we are going to go ahead and looking at contamination mitigation, different ways that you can prevent it, and with these agar dishes, take a look at how we can transfer dirty dishes into clean dishes, and hopefully through a few times of doing that, have a clean culture to use, as well as take a look at our previous cordyceps culture that may be contaminated and look at ways that we can test the contamination and prepare a new one. With that, all that being said, though, thank you very much for joining us today's episode of the Fungi Files. We look forward to having you in our next one.